Peace everyone, Unmask here, and I have one question for you. Do you want to be an artist? Well, I have some good news for you, because if you do, or you just want to improve, then it is time to evolve. The partner manager at Evolve reached out and asked if I would like to try the course, and you know what? I completely ignored the email. I get emails from companies quite often, and honestly, over the years, I kinda gave up on the idea that any of the offers would be worth it. However, a couple weeks passed and I got a follow-up email, and just as I was about to delete it, I thought, why not have a look? So I went to their website, read everything about it, and ended up watching the video of founder Kevin Murphy going through his art journey. That is when I decided I really wanted to try the program. Teaching art myself, my core philosophy is that anyone can learn to do it. And my goal has always been to teach everything I know so I'm no longer needed. If I had any doubt that the Evolve program didn't align with my principles, I would have ignored the second email too. So here I am, 10 paintings into the Evolve curriculum, and I'm going to give you 8 reasons why you should be signing up for Evolve. You don't need to know anything to start. I could pick any random person and I would have no doubt they would find success with Evolve. It wouldn't matter if they never drew or painted anything their entire life. Everything you need to know to get started exists within this course. All the supplies are included throughout the entire program, and they are top-notch quality. Nothing is held back here. The supplies used are professional level, and when it comes to working with oil paint, that is very helpful. No guessing what to buy or where to find quality supplies. It's all shipped directly to you worldwide. With every assignment you complete, you get real feedback from real instructors. All the feedback is personalized and helpful for you to identify where you need to improve. You can schedule one-on-one video calls with instructors, giving you the opportunity to ask anything you need to help get you the results you want. Daily group video chat hangouts. The first video chat I joined, I ended up being there for 5 hours. It was great meeting the other Evolve members and chatting while I worked on my paintings. Getting a chance to ask questions and encouragement from all of them will keep you motivated throughout the entire course. Projects simple enough, yet somehow not so simple that even a professional like me can enjoy them. After all, no matter how far you come, it really is the mastery of the basics that propels you forward as an artist. Significantly less expensive than any art school, and once you take into account that the supplies are included, it can't even be compared. And several people I met in the group chats mentioned selling their homework projects to the point the course basically pays itself off. And the final reason you should sign up right now is that you can join me and we can go through the program together. That's right, I have been enjoying this course so much that I'm going to go through the entire program. And if you sign up right now, we'll do it together. On top of all of that, the first 10 of you that sign up will get $100 off the course. Just use the code UNMASK100. Then join me on my new Friday Evolve live streams to paint and learn together. So again, I ask you, do you want to be an artist? Then click the links in the description and prepare to evolve. And I'll see you there. Take care. Peace.